Rare Beauty just launched tinted versions of their popular brow gel. I am so excited about it. The Brow Harmony Tinted Flexible Lifting Gel. It is now available in tinted shades, which is super exciting because I am a huge fan of the clear version. It is so good. It just holds your brows in place so well. So super excited to receive this PR box. I figured it would be helpful if I showed you guys the shades and also did a little demo, show you guys it being applied. There are 6 tinted shades to choose from. I think that both of these two lightest shades work the best for me. I think they can both work well for me. So Soft Blonde and Rich Taupe. So I'm gonna demo both of those in today's video. So let's get into it. But first, a quick look at each of the shades. Soft Blonde, Rich Taupe, Warm Brown, Cool Brown, Deep Brown, and Soft Black. These retail for $21. The Rare Beauty's iconic clear brow formula now comes in 6 shades. Instantly lift, tint, and set in one simple step with waterproof, sweat-resistant hold that's never sticky or crunchy. Soft Blonde is great for platinum to light blonde hair. Rich Taupe is for medium to dark blonde hair. Warm Brown is good for auburn and light brown hair. Cool Brown is for cool and medium brown hair. Deep Brown is for dark brown hair, and Soft Black is for black hair. Starting off with Soft Blonde. This shade I feel like is almost the exact shade of my actual brows, so this shade works very well for me. I just love how quick it is to just easily make my eyebrows look more put together. That's it. That's all I would need to do. It's just so quick and easy to use. Of course, you can apply more if you want it to really hold your brows in place. If you want to have more of a laminated brow look, you can definitely achieve that with these as well. But it's just so quick, so easy to use, and as you can see, that's almost like just like the exact same shade as my eyebrows, so it works really well. Again, this is the shade Soft Blonde. I think it looks so nice. So now let's test out the shade Rich Taupe. So this is the next shade up. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like on my other eyebrow. So there it is. I would definitely say that this would be my second choice, but it works still really well. I personally think that this one is just such a good match. This is the one that'll go for the most, which is Soft Blonde. But here is them side by side so you can kind of compare. So we have Soft Blonde on this side and a Rich Taupe on this side. If you have sparse brows, you can try filling in brows with a brow pencil first and then finish with the brow gel. If you have full or unruly brows, try applying the brow gel first. And then once set, use your brow pencil to draw hair-like strokes as desired. Personally, I like using this just all on its own. If I do want my brows to look more filled in, then I'll use a brow pencil first. But I do like, honestly, just how these look on their own. I will just wear it on its own most of the time. It just looks so nice. I used to wear the clear brow gel on its own all the time, so now it's nice to have a tinted version so that way it can kind of fill in the brows a little bit as well. So yeah, I am a huge fan of this brow gel. Let me know if this looks like a product that you would try in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. If you are interested in checking this out, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below so you can easily find it. If you do use my link, it is an affiliate link, no pressure at all to use it. It's no additional cost to you if you use it, but if you do, I may receive a small portion of the sale. Again, no pressure, but if you're interested in trying it out anyway and this video helped you out, then it would mean so much if you would use my link. It really does help to support my channel, but no pressure at all. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from my channel in the future, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.